Today, we will be talking about the Bosch 100 Series Premium Dishwasher. Equipped with multiple wash cycles, energy efficiency, and quiet operation makes this dishwasher a homeowner's favorite. The build quality is impressive, with durable components and a modern look, making this dishwasher a great addition for any kitchen, both in functionality and aesthetics. Energy-efficient, close-drying system that does not pull in outside air and gently whisks moisture away from dishes as they cool. No exposed heating element, you can safely place plastics anywhere. Bosch dishwashers are renowned for their whisper-quiet operation and a commitment to delivering spotlessly clean dishes, embodying the enduring quality you've come to rely on. With a cutting-edge wash system and adaptable loading features, the cleanup process becomes effortlessly convenient. The use of premium materials coupled with outstanding engineering ensures a level of precision and sophistication synonymous with the Bosch brand. Crafted with your needs in focus, Bosch 100 Series dishwashers provide everything you desire in a dishwasher, all at a price tailored to your lifestyle. Thanks for joining us, as we hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance reviews and tips from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom.